Leadership Reflections, the Nature Paradigm, is a unique outdoor leadership program designed to help achieve the Sustainable Development Goals (SDG 17) defined by the United Nations for 2030. Conservation Wildlands Trust and Ecojivan, in collaboration with the SoftEdge, has brought this unique program that gives a 360-degree perspective on environmental goals, circular economy, and biodiversity to leaders and decision makers of the organization. This close-to-nature experiential learning journey is designed to guide participants into a transformative leadership. This workshop will equip the participants to create sustainable organizations by applying the learnings from nature. The trio of trainers hail from the fields of psychology, industry, environmental sciences, and ecology with a rich cumulative experience of more than 75 years, thus creating an ideal skill set complementary for this program. This program is best suited for business leaders and entrepreneurs who desire a new dimension for their work. Leaders who understand that a new level of environmental consciousness is required to deal with the current challenges should attend this program.